Good morning students. In the previous class we have seen how to find the HCF and LCM of the polynomials. Today we are going to learn about what is an algebraic fraction and how to reduce algebraic fraction to its lowest form. See, algebraic fractions are fractions with variables either in the numerator or the denominator or both. See this example. This numerator contains the variable a. So this fraction is called an algebraic fraction. So algebraic fractions are fractions with variables either in the numerator or the denominator or both. See the next point. Algebraic fractions with only constant in the denominator are called algebraic fractions with integral denominator. Next point, algebraic fractions with variable in the denominator are called algebraic fractions with variable denominator. See this example. Here the denominator has a variable y. So this fraction is called algebraic fraction with variable denominator. Example 5. Reduce the following algebraic fractions to lowest form. First one, 36x cube y cube z by 42x square y cube z cube. How do you reduce this algebraic fraction to lowest form? We can cancel the numerator and denominator. 36 and 42 we can cancel by 6. 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42. Here we can cancel x2. So the remaining x power 1. We can cancel y cube and y cube. Then z also. Cancel 1 z. So the remaining is 2. So what is the remaining answer? In the numerator we can write 6x divided by, in the denominator, 7z square. So it is the lowest form of this given algebraic fraction. Next, second subdivision, 4y by 2y square minus 6xy. So we need to reduce to lowest form. So first we have to factorize the denominator. Here in the numerator 4y given, in the denominator, how do you factorize this denominator? Here what is the common factor among these two terms? We can take 2y as common. So what is the remaining term from the first term? 2y into y. In the second term, 2y into 3x. Now we can cancel the numerator and the denominator y term. So 2 2's are 4. So what is the answer? 2 by y minus 3x. So this is the lowest form of this given fraction. Next, third subdivision, a plus 2 by a square minus 4. So first we have to factorize the denominator. A plus 2 divided by a square minus 4. How do you write a square minus 4? We can write a square minus 2 square. So next step, a plus 2 divided by a square minus 2 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here also we can write a plus 2 into a minus 2. Now we can cancel these two terms, a plus 2 and a plus 2. So what is the remaining answer? 1 by a minus 2. So this is the lowest form. Fourth subdivision, x plus 2 into 2x square minus 5x minus 12 divided by x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4. So we need to reduce this fraction to lowest form. So here two quadratic polynomials are given. So first step, we have to factorize these two quadratic polynomial. So take the first polynomial. Here 2x square minus 5x minus 12. So this is a quadratic polynomial. We have to factorize this polynomial. So using T method, we can factorize this polynomial. So write the product value. So what is the product value here? 2 into minus 12 minus 24. So the sum is equal to minus 5. Now we have to find two numbers. So what are the two numbers? Minus 8 and plus 3. So minus 8 plus 3, we get minus 5, and minus 8 into 3 minus 24. So minus 8x, 3x divided by the first term 2x square, 2x square. Now we cancel the numerator and denominator. We get x minus 4. Here we can cancel the x term. We get 2x plus 3. So these two are factors for this given polynomial. Take the second quadratic polynomial, x square plus 4x plus 4. We have to factorize this polynomial. So write the product value. Product as 4 and the sum is also 4. So what are the two numbers? 2 and 2. So 2x by 2x. Divide by the first term x square. So we can cancel the x term. So here the remaining x plus 2. Here also we can cancel the x term. So x plus 2. So these two are factors. Now you write the given fraction x plus 2 into 2x square minus 5x minus 12 divided by x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4. So next step, first x plus 2 into 2x square minus 5x minus 12. What are the factors for this polynomial? X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Then divide by, write x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4. What are the factors? X plus 2 into x plus 2. Now we can cancel the common factors. Here x plus 2 and x plus 2. Then x minus 4 and x minus 4. So what are the remaining terms? In the numerator we can write 2x plus 3 divided by, in the denominator, x plus 2. So this is the lowest form of this given fraction. Next, example 6. Simplify the following algebraic fractions: x plus 3 by 4 plus x minus 2 by 3 plus 3x plus 1 by 6. So first step, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators? 4, 3, 6. So here the LCM is 12. So in the denominator we can write the LCM value as 12. So here 12. Here which number we have to multiply by the numerator? 12 divided by 4, 3. So 3 into x plus 3. Then this denominator value is 3. So we have to divide 12 by 3, we get 4. So 4 into x minus 2. Here 6 given, so we have to multiply by 2 into 3x plus 1. So next step, 3 into x plus 3. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into x, 4x plus into minus minus 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 into 3x, 6x plus 2 into 1, 2. So let us simplify. Here what are the x term? 3x plus 4x, 7x, 7x plus 6x, 13x plus 9 minus 8, we get 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Divide by 12. So this is the answer. Second subdivision, 4a by a minus 3 plus a square by a square minus 9. Here 4a by a minus 3, first step we have to find the LCM for the denominators. So 4a by a minus 3 plus a square by a square minus 9. We can write a square by a square minus 9. A square minus 9 as a square minus 3 square. So a plus 3 into a minus 3. So we can write a plus 3 into a minus 3. Now we have to find the LCM for the denominator. What is the LCM value? Write all the factors. A minus 3 into a plus 3. So these two are common factors. So now here a minus 3 given. So we have to multiply by a plus 3. So a plus 3 into 4a plus here a plus 3 into a minus 3 given in the denominator. LCM also same, a minus 3 into a plus 3. So we have to multiply by 1. 1 into a square, a square. So next step, a into 4a, we get 4a square plus 3 into 4, 12a plus a square by a minus 3 into a plus 3. So next step we can write 5a square plus 12a divided by a minus 3 into a plus 3. Next let us see the solution for your homework sums. Fourth one, third subdivision. Find the HCF of given these two polynomials. So first we have to find the factors. We get the first polynomial 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Second one 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. So the common factor is 2x plus 1. So highest common factor equal to 2x plus 1. Fifth one, find the LCM. Here two binomials are given. We need to factorize these two binomial. We get y into y plus 3d. Here y plus 3d into y minus 3d. So the LCM equal to, write all the factors. Y into y plus 3d into y minus 3d. Next fourth subdivision, two polynomials are given. So first step you have to factorize these two polynomial. So for the first polynomial we get 2 into m minus 3 the whole square. Second one 2m plus 7 into m minus 3. In LCM we have to write the highest power. So 2 into m minus 3 the whole square. Here m minus 3 whole power 1 only given. So we have to write the highest power m minus 3 the whole square into 2m plus 7. Next one, sixth one, first subdivision. Two polynomials are given. So m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to m plus 3 the whole square. M square minus 9 as m plus 3 into m minus 3. So HCF equal to m plus 3. LCM equal to m plus 3 the whole square into m minus 3. Students, these are your homework sums. Thank you, students.